Hi there. This is the introduction for our next video. Again, these are all videos here at our place in Sicily where we're sharing some footage we took back when we didn't know we were going to start a channel. In today's video, we're going to show you some footage of us discussing our trip to go start looking at houses and what we're afraid of and what we're looking for. And so many people have been asking us questions about this already. So here is the video for that. This was the day that we saw our house in Sicily. We're in our very first under the Tuscan sun moment. I mean, we're not gonna just jump out of a bus and never come back. You wanna tell me what you think today is going to be like?
I don't think it's just going to be like, looking at these places and figuring out if there's one that speaks to us and what the possibilities are, because we're really looking for a fixer-upper that we can take and really sort of improve on to the next level. And so it's all about seeing possibility.
You think you can see possibility today?
Yeah, absolutely.
Much more positive than I thought you were going to be.
My job is to find possibilities. Yeah.
Okay.
Am I ready to pull the trigger on a house today?
We're going to see 5 houses. Where? Do you remember?
Let's see. Giada.
Piedemonte and Taormina.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, so 5 houses.
So 2 in Giada?
Nope, only 1.
Okay.
Solo uno.
So 2 in Piedemonte, 1 in Taormina, 1 in Giada.
And so another one in Piedemonte.
3 in Piedemonte.
Yeah, looks like you did your homework and looked at the paperwork today.
Yes, now I remember. Now I remember all
it's
the
okay.
houses in my head.
It's okay.
I couldn't come up with the other house in my head.
We're gonna take a lot of video and photos because, I mean, it's a tip whenever you're looking for a house, right? Because you never remember, like, which was the one with the ugly, funny, pink bathroom that looked like a murder site. You never know what those are, so it's always good to take notes. What are you most worried about in the house hunting today? I think you and I are gonna have different worries.
Worried that you'll like something and be fired up by it, and I won't be like it or be fired up by it the same amount.
I mean, that's our marriage in a nutshell.
I know.
I'm fired up and Matt's
well,
about anything.
We might not see eye to eye. I mean, it's always good when we're in lockstep. We agree that something is cool, but
so I'm most worried. I don't think it'll actually happen, so it's like totally irrational. But I'm most worried that I'm gonna like every house. And we're only looking at 5 houses, but I think we must have like 15 on our list right now. So I'm worried. Like, what if I like them all? Explain the process of what we're looking for and how unsure we are. And I'll just fix all the parts you forget.
Okay. Do we want to live in a city? The walkable.
And the city being not really something that we'd call a city in the U.S.
Sure. Do we want to live in?
Well, maybe we would.
In town, in some place where the so-called 15-minute city or town where everything is walkable. Right.
Or
within 15 minutes. Or do we want to live in the countryside? So it's about having some citrus trees or that kind of thing.
So what's the third option?
Well, the third option is sort of a blend. A little bit less.
One of us lives in the city, and one of us lives rurally.
Smaller.
That's how our marriage is gonna last forever.
So smaller town, perhaps, but more centrally located. Like I think Via di Fesa is kind of that mix. It's not a country house, but it's still Piedemonte.
It's actually like in the center of town.
Right.
So how is that not in town? How is that a blend?
Well, I mean, I think it's Piedemonte is a smaller city than say Syracuse or
all right.
Something like that. So there's just
So we have our work cut out for us.
Yep.
And by work, I mean, I cannot wait. I'm so excited. How excited am I about today?
You are over the moon excited?
Over the moon.
I mean, that's my term. I know what your term is.
Have you ever in your life been over the moon excited about anything?
All sorts of things.
Was I with you? Was it before me, 30 some years ago?
Yeah, I'm just not good at just on the inside.
So over the moon inside. It's a very complicated dance to do that.
Yes. But you keep it all inside.
What a pretty view. I'm going to give a view of the orchard. Etna. Etna's top is in the shadows. Every drive is a beautiful drive here.